Hello and welcome. Today, I will show you how to limit the number of rows in Power Query. This technique is invaluable for working efficiently with large datasets. Let's start. Step 1. Creating a parameter. In the Power Query editor, go to Home, select Manage Parameter, and name it Row Filter. Set its type to number with a default value of 0. Step 2. Conditional step creation. Next, in your query editor, create a new step. You'll see it references the previous step. Here's our key action: write an if condition. If row filter is 0 or greater than the row count of the table, return the previous step, meaning the entire table. Otherwise, return only the top rows as specified by row filter. You can rename the step to better describable if you want. That's it. Adjust row filter for the number of rows you want to see during transformation. Before loading data to the model, reset row filter to 0. Simple and effective for handling large datasets.